So I come out to use my garage door yesterday, and you can see it's a belt drive. It started acting really funky, and then it broke basically right up there. See right there? The belt actually, it's a steel, it's got steel wire in it. It broke. And as you can see, this is the old belt right here. As you can see, it was screwed up anyway, but it ended up pulling out. It used to look like this. This is what it should look like. And what happened is it ended up pulling out, and there's the piece. So I go online and try to find belts for I have a 7-foot garage door, and I knew the part number and I knew everything I needed to know. The thing is none of the Home Depot or Lowe's or any of these places carried the belt. The only thing I could find was this 8-foot garage door opener rail extension kit, which came with a new belt. Problem is, the new belt was about that much too long. So I kind of had a problem, and I thought, well, I'll look online. I couldn't find anything online, which is why I'm making this video. I thought I'll just use hose clamps or something. I'll figure something out. And what I figured out was all you have to do is this is fairly easy to pry open. You can actually get this. It's 2 pieces. There's this piece right here, and then there's this piece that clamps over it, and it basically it clamps right into the tracks. You can see it. It's like it keeps it. Anyway, if you don't want to go online and order it and pay 60 or 70 bucks for a belt, this right here, and here's the receipt. You can see right here, $53.23. I don't think you're going to find a brand new belt for it that cheap. So if you don't mind doing a little bit of work, it'll save you a little bit of money. And just to prove it, the garage door opener functions perfectly fine. Opens and closes. I'm not going to open it all the way because I don't need to. Anyway, so I don't know if that helps anybody. I don't know if it works with every brand, but it doesn't take a lot of skill. I did the whole thing, probably took me a couple of hours. It's for Whisper Drive Plus Chamberlain 7-foot. So that's how you make a 8-foot belt work on a 7-foot garage door. Hope that helps.